Right, we're just leaving the lovely bar where Shaggy works, and we're just going to keep going.
Bye, guys.
Met a lovely couple, watched the channel, so lovely having a few drinks with you. We're just going to have a little wander and then go back to the hotel, have some dinner, get ready for night out at Marmaris. First night out at Marmaris, first holiday.
First night.
Little Point Beach, yeah. I've had way too many beers.
Yeah, gassy already.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ah, yes. Nice to see you. Yeah. Nice to see you. Yes.
Come back again?
Yeah, we'll be out later.
Yeah, tonight I'm coming out. Now it's food time.
Yeah. Rest.
Yes.
Coming.
We want to go see the light show with the fountains later.
They still say.
Mira.
Myra.
M-Y-R-A.
Myra? Yeah.
How do you say it?
Emre.
Emra.
Emre.
Okay.
Yeah.
Emre Beach.
Yeah,
Yeah.
From here.
About 10 minutes.
No, Mira.
Mira.
Yeah.
Myra, yeah.
Is it Mira like this? Okay.
Not far.
How long here? 4 weeks.
Till Tuesday.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice to see you.
Yeah.
Ah, nice to see you. Thank you. Bye. That's the mirror. So yeah, it's the coming to the end of the sort of sun now. Last sort of hour. So the beach is looking a little bit more emptier.
6 o'clock actually.
Yeah. So food's at 7:30, so I get back, shower, get ourselves ready, have some food, and then go out. Show you guys Marmaris nightlife. Yeah. Show you guys the scenery.
Let's go to the main road.
Yeah, so we're going this way?
Yeah.
Yeah. So down there is obviously continuing the beach, but we're going to go the main roadway. And then I think tomorrow morning I want to have a sunbathing session by the pool, chill out, and then in the afternoon we'll probably venture out and do like the bazaars and stuff. Try not have any beer tomorrow. No beer.
No FS.
But yeah, we did go and play pool at a new bar. That was nice. That's going to be Boom Bar. That'll be in Kirksville. So yeah, it's been a nice, like I said, we had sort of like a chilled morning, checked in, met the sort of people we'd met the last time we were here, working at the bar, so that was nice, little mini reunion. Came and went on the beach trip, and now we're just going to head back. So yeah, nice relaxed day. Right, so we're now on the main high street, Marmaris. Sun is blazing. Yeah, heading towards Blueport, which is like a big shopping centre. Don't forget to like and comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And let us know if you've been to Marmaris and if you've been to Blueport. What's it called? Sounds like that one in Kent. Yeah, we might be getting it confused with the shopping mall in Kent, but you'll see when we get there, we'll get the name. We need to go to the shop as well. Just to get a few bits.
We're at Point Beach.
Yeah, Point Beach Hotel and Resort. So yeah, so this time our room was like riddled with mosquitoes. So we want to get some mosquito sprays. If you've seen any of my previous vlogs, you know how I feel about those little beautiful insects. And then we just want to get some water, because Hotel Beer Rat was really good. They gave you 2 bottles of free water a day, didn't they? Really, really good. So get a big bottle of water so tonight when we come in we don't die. And that's probably it, isn't it? Mosquito repellent and some water. That's it. Bus stops. Got a taxi rank coming up. Milkshake tattoo. And then then you've got your like shops and bazaars. Tesco supermarket. Don't think it's going to be like Tesco back home. And then obviously the roads go down to the beach.
It's good that they're embracing the UK now. So.
Yeah, we've found what? Primark, Asda, Tesco. Just need to find ourselves good little Waitrose now, don't we? So yeah, get back because we're doing all inclusive. Get back to our bar, enjoy some of those free drinks with the last little bit of sun, and then get ourselves
Blackout
ready.
Drunk night, blackout drunk.
First night out in Marmaris. But yeah, the couple that we just met, they are going to go watch the fountain show. We've not seen that, but it's on our list. So that's around 9 o'clock. So we're going to aim to try and do that. If not, we'll try and do it tomorrow. But either way, I do want to see it before we go. Turkish bath, get your massage. Not actually done that. A girl that I work with said she's done it. She didn't rate it as much, but then they're all different, so just depends. So we got Del Boy's Big Bazaar. It's quite a famous one. Yeah, we will be doing the bazaar videos. That'll be separate. So today we're just obviously walking back to our hotel. But yeah, we will be featuring all the sort of shops and all the haunts like we did for the Ishmael videos. Nice little bar there. Yeah, nice and cheap. There we go. Fish bar. Not really a fan of those, but each their own. It's got Alibaba, Diamond, all your little jewellery stores. Little corner shop. Your football shirts. So here you go, you got your next. The next to Turkey. So yeah, we'll be doing a shopping, like I said, separate videos, because there is some bits I want to get. Basically at Kirk, a whole new wardrobe. And then I want to get a couple of bits. You got the main like big bazaar in Marmaris. So we'll do that. We did it on the last video, so don't forget to obviously watch those, but we're going to do like an updated, see what's in stock for this season, because we came in May, so obviously it's now September, so we want to give you the most up-to-date prices. Hello. Most up-to-date prices and everything. For now, big hotel up there. All your cash points. And then you've got all your bazaars on the other side. I've had about 4 beers now, so if the camera quality isn't as good, because I've been force-fed FAs. I blame the FAs.
She refused none. Drunk them all.
Drunk them all. You got Cleopatra ring, lots of tattoo and piercing. Ooh, Kirky Spa and Wellness. Big Pharaoh there. Pharaoh. Oh, we're like walking into the sun, so it's quite blinding at the moment. That is really nice. Blinded by the lights.
So we've come up to Taj Mahal at the end.
Yeah. It's a nice
That's where the Blueport is.
restaurant.
Shopping centre.
Got this one, Almina City Pub. 110 lira. Lots and lots of tattoo places. Oh yeah. Yeah. Primark too. So yeah, like I said, on the corner we're getting to that Taj Mahal. Or like Kirk said, heading down to the beach. Really nice little dresses and outfits. Jewellery, watches. Right, so we've made it to the shopping centre at Blueport. So Bluewater is in Kent, not to confuse the countries, we're in Turkey. This is Blueport. We'll go to the shopping centre here. Yep. Ah, thank you. So yeah, so we've made it to Blueport Shopping Centre. We will do a separate video because we're literally staying around the corner from here. So I'll just show you on the wall what they've got, but we will do a video inside it as well. Taj Mahal, main crossing.
Yeah, so we're gonna go into Migros.
Yep, gonna get ourselves some mosquito killer and destroy them.
Right here then, shall we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and all of that fun stuff, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to watch our Ishmael series. We're now in Marmaris and we have got previous content as well. See you soon.